your hands full whisper. Me know you love your job. But on this one, me will make Tony and keep her eye on you.
Just to confirm the order, you said you need 50 bistro tables and 100 chairs. That's the white chairs, plastic white chairs. On delivery or we to deliver? Alright, bear in mind there are certain rules and regulation, policies and procedures that governs our rental agreement. A copy of the rental agreement will be sent along with the items. However, just a heads up, the item should be returned tomorrow by 12 noon. If we are to pick up, if we are there by 12 noon and no one is there and the premises is not accessible, an additional delivery fee will be charged. The fact that we have to return at a later time. Also, the fact that it's 12 noon is the pickup time. Should you keep it an hour after, each additional hour is $1,000 extra for the rental agreement. Okay? Yes, I will send that. All that information is in writing, and also you will take a copy of your ID. If not, we just get the information from your ID if you do not have a copy.
Yo.
Can I help you?
So how much your bill is?
If I the big one, you have to have a 6,005.
So how about the appleton?
Which size?
My big one, man, man, you can't do the small one.
6 grand.
So how much you Eldorado?
8.5.
So just that. Give me the bill is.
Good body with some one.
I go on, babe. Let's me call your phone. You didn't answer.
You didn't call my phone?
You know me? Look on this. And tell me if you're not seeing a missed call. What kind of style?
I'm not saying I miss call.
Judge. You know what I'm going there now. But the ring on my side, look like I signal it. So you what? And something to drink now. You there?
No, I first went to you.
So when coming after?
In the adults coming, you can ask the price for the top shelf liquor them.
That alone?
Yeah.
Top shelf liquor. You are going to don't leave your phone so careless again, yeah? Miss General there?
Yeah, she run at the back.
Alright. Just remember one thing. Tell her say you see a strange face.